Hello guys! Today we'd love to talk about cabins. Our brand new aluminum cabins, on top of being equipped with an innovative electronic and self-adjustable air conditioning and heating system, offer great visibility, increased robustness of our side doors to reduce possible damages, and wider windows that allow more space for the driver. An aggregate feature that we have introduced on all our new cabs as a standard is also the availability of a cup holder and a space to store operational equipment. All of these adds value to an already extraordinary work environment that continues to offer all possible ergonomical additional options for our dear operators. And of course, technicians that benefit from its unique tilting capability. Can you believe that all of this is possible in such a compact design? For more info, a demo, or just to be updated on our latest news, please catch up on our site, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course, Facebook.